Hi, welcome to Zimstake Media. If you are new to this channel, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe to get more news. In a heartfelt social media post, Minnie Chiwenga offered a deep dive into the significance of the regalia she and her husband, Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, wore during a recent public appearance at the independence celebrations yesterday in Gweru. The couple's attire, which prominently featured the National Coat of Arms, was not just a fashion statement, but a reminder of the values and aspirations that anchor Zimbabwe's identity. In a post on social media, she said, "The coat of arms is the symbol of the principles and values that our heroes fought for to achieve independence. This is a beautiful attire." Minnie Chiwenga makes it a point that in every public appearance, she slays. Thank you for staying tuned. Once again, if you want more news, don't hesitate to like and subscribe.